How to set up two-factor authentication on Koinpark. Here's how to do it. Start by opening the Koinpark app on your device and navigate to the Profile section. Next, tap on 2FA and select Google as your authentication method. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code via email. Enter it and click OK to proceed. Now, enable the authenticator to install the Google Authenticator app and activate it again to receive your unique code. Then, click Yes to add token. Copy the most recent code from the Google Authenticator app, paste it into the designated field, and click Enable. That's it. You'll see a confirmation message stating two-factor authentication enabled successfully.